Welcome to our Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course at Riga Business School. As most of you know, I am Valdis Saulespurens. I will be your lector. So if you have any questions in this course, feel free to email me here at valdissaulespurens@rtu.lv. Again, I will see you in class on Thursday. So today you can rest a little bit and see this lecture at your leisure. Now, this course we will have another lecture which will cover the introduction, but for now what I will talk about is grading, right? Which is of course the most important part for you guys. So again, it will be 30% lecture quizzes. There will be a 30% midterm, which will involve solving some problem solving in person. Again, most likely it will be open book and open tools, but including AI tools, of course, naturally. However, it will not be, again, probably won't be too trivial, hopefully. Right now, the final project, which I think is the most interesting part of this course, is a larger problem-solving project, which you can do in groups of 1 to 3 persons. So you can do it solo, right? Again, in this year, I don't have such a big class. Most likely, there will be also a slight defense of this project, meaning you will have to present it to me on the last day of our course. Now, there is also an optional report, meaning you can raise your grade 1 point by covering something which you don't cover in detail. This most likely will be slightly challenging because we'll talk about a lot of topics. So if you're not sure, when time comes in March or April, you come to me and I will approve your report topic, right? But again, it should be relatively, I'm pretty open to most ideas, because again, the field of AI is quite vast. Huge, I would say, humongous, right? We can find another synonym for that. All right. Now that the grading is covered, what else do we want to know? There is going to be, of course, course repository. It's going to be updated, right? It involves most of the work you'll be doing through notebooks, meaning, of course, you'll use Python. It's a perfect language for AI work because it can interact with many other libraries, and also we can use the notebook format for presentations and other things. Now, there are videos from the previous year, but you don't have to watch those. There is a contacts page. There will be a link also to the current video playlist, actually. It will come up shortly on this Ortus page, right? So, that is shortly, that's pretty much it for this introduction about the grading. Yes, should mention one more thing, of course, is that we will be using the following book as our course. The main book will be this book. It's probably, I would say, the Bible of AI by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig. Peter Norvig was one of the head of AI at Google. Stuart Russell also has very impressive credentials. The credentials is not the important part, but the book is widely used. It's the most widely used book. Unfortunately, the bad news for you is that the book is not available at our library currently. However, I will be providing my custom curated notebooks which cover most of the topics from these books, I will also provide some other resources too, sort of extra resources. Some of the resources you can see here under AI news. Again, news are happening constantly in AI field. For example, just recently, a couple days ago, Simon Williamson, who is a very respected, call him blogger, right? But not only a blogger, right? Researcher. Experimenter. He posted what happened in 2024. I would, again, if you're interested in this topic, I would say a good idea to follow, right? So, of course, Fireship is a great channel. It covers a lot of AI topics, AI news, right? But again, before we get to all the cool stuff we do with AI, in this course, we will learn the basics, we build on the sort of like foundations, fundamentals. All right. So, let's get started shortly. That will be so in the next lecture, in the next recording.